What's up, Hyperdrive crew? Welcome back to the channel, where we celebrate the legends of motorcycling. Today, we're taking a nostalgic trip back to the golden age of sport touring with a deep dive into a true icon, the Honda VFR750F. This isn't just an old bike. This is a machine that defined a generation of riders. Just look at that front end. Those classic dual headlights, the clean fairing design. It's a timeless look. It's not overly aggressive, but it exudes a sense of purpose and sophistication. This is a bike that looks good even today. Moving to the side, you see the smooth, flowing lines and the full fairing, designed for aerodynamic efficiency and rider comfort. The single-sided swing arm is a signature VFR touch, showcasing the rear wheel and adding to its distinctive style. Let's check out the cockpit. The instrument panel is simple and functional, with clear analog gauges for speed, revs, and other essential information. It's a classic setup that's easy to read even at speed. So the Honda VFR750F. Did it live up to the hype? Absolutely. It's a true classic, a bike that defined the sport touring segment. It's not the fastest or the most technologically advanced bike out there, but it offers a unique riding experience that's hard to replicate. Now, here are a few actionable tips if you're looking to pick up a VFR750F. First, check for common issues like regulator rectifier problems and cam chain wear. Second, make sure the bike has been well maintained and has a good service history. And finally, be prepared to fall in love with that V4 engine. What are your memories of the VFR750F? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for riding with Hyperdrive.